In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive video is still processing error. This common issue can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to access your video content. Let's dive right in and explore a few ways to handle this situation effectively. One of the simplest strategies is to simply wait and periodically refresh your Google Drive. This might sound overly simplistic, but it's important to remember that Google Drive takes time to process videos, particularly larger files. Small videos, typically those less than 100 megabytes, generally process quickly, often within just a few minutes. However, if you've uploaded a significantly larger video, let's say in the range of 2 gigabytes to 10 gigabytes or more, you might find yourself facing a longer waiting period. In such instances, it's not unusual for processing to take from 1 to 24 hours. During this time, I recommend refreshing your Google Drive page intermittently to check if the video has finished processing. Patience here can be key. While waiting, it's helpful to ensure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection won't necessarily stop the processing, but it can affect your ability to upload properly in the first place. Sometimes just making sure that you're on a reliable internet connection can help facilitate a smoother procedure. If after waiting you find the video still isn't processing, you might want to consider a few additional checks. Make sure that the file format of your video is one that's supported by Google Drive, such as MP4, which tends to be widely acceptable for most video platforms. Converting to a more compatible format might sometimes help if the original file type is unusual or prone to errors. It's also worth verifying that your Google Drive isn't close to running out of storage space. A nearly full drive can sometimes obstruct video processing, as Google requires a certain amount of free space to function optimally. Lastly, should the error persist, it might be worth logging in from a different browser or clearing your browser's cache. This can sometimes resolve minor issues that lead to such errors. If you're still seeing the error, the issue might be on Google's end, in which case they will eventually resolve it. In summary, dealing with Google Drive video processing errors can be a test of patience, especially with larger files. But by waiting, ensuring a stable connection, checking compatibility, and managing your storage, you can often find a resolution. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you enjoy seamless video playback on Google Drive very soon.